What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're heading to a Cambodian barbecue restaurant. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Meet people, live foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, just waiting for the Tuk Tuk to pick us up and we're heading out. Okay, here he comes. Thank you. Okay, so it's called Tuk Tuk Rooftop BBQ. It's right here behind me. So there's these different sets you can order. So 40,000 is about $10. So then there's some that are bigger, like for a whole family it's $20. You get way more. I think this is the one that I'll get. Has a little mixture of everything and vegetables too, and then on the inside of the menu there's like more trays of meat you can add on if you want to have more, or if you have a big group with you. There's seafood. And so the upstairs is closed right now. I can't go up there, but I'll put some pictures here that I found online. And there's also outdoor, like on the ground level. You can make your own sauces and make a mixture of the different ones they have here. Chilies and lime and garlic. They brought over a little basket with drinks and ice and water. And you just get charged if you use it. And they just brought the grill over. So we'll be cooking on this. And around the outer edge they put a broth in here, and all the juices go down into the broth, and so you get like an awesome soup out of it, as well as the barbecue on top. Fired it up, just gotta let it heat up and then start throwing stuff on and getting our soup going and everything like that. So I put some of the noodles in here, and you put the soup broth with it. Okay, let's get a seafood on there next. homemade kimchi is really good. Look at the color on that. Have a go at that. Shrimp's almost ready. Just have to get a bit more color on it. Still some gray on it. Squid's almost done. Come over and help you out every once in a while and move things, or you just pour more broth in, or so they'll look after you if you don't know how to do it. Okay, let's just throw a bunch on. Okay, while we wait for all that meat to cook, let's try the squid. Squid's like the best thing almost. Alright, so I'm walking away from there now. That was a really great meal. I was surprised with how much meat you get. I've done this kind of thing before and it seemed like you get more meat for this combo, but it was $10. You can sometimes find similar meals that are like $6 or $8, but it's like half as much. So that was really good value for money. If you weren't too hungry, you could have 2 people share that. It was so much. I left a lot of the vegetables behind, a lot of the noodle behind. And hey, if you want exclusive Cambodia content, I've got a members section where there's extra videos that only the members can see. And right now, there's over 150 sitting there right now waiting for you to binge. It's only $4.99. I'd recommend just doing 1 month and you can quit so it's not ongoing, or stay with me and help support the channel. That's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.